We got double pills today. That looks like big pill. And then we've got big Lil. Where are you, Lil? There you are, I think. Could be two big pilled. Could be, let's see. That looks like big Lil, the female. And then we're going back over here to big pill, the male. And they're happy to be back. They are. Well, let's see. I don't know. That could be a female also. It could be a juvenile. Oh, we got them arguing over here. What's going on? What's going on? We got Butchie and Buddy in the background. Uh-huh. Okay. That's what we got today. Okay. And there's Butchie, not happy. All right.